Okay, mystery box. Da-dum, da-dum. He slices, he dices, and he opens it deliciously. What is it? I don't know. I haven't looked yet. Oh, nicely done. Fantastic. Look at that. So this is the Awesome Music Project. And this is a book that I am in, along with Sarah McLachlan, Michael Bublé, Chris Hadfield, and a bunch of other very famous Canadians. What a cool book. Look at it. It looks like an album, and inside are all these very cool, they look like album covers. And I believe there's one in here by me. Oh, and he opens it right away, right on cue. This is the story about Dove Baron, and this book is about how music impacts mental health, and about how all of us who are written in this book about how music has impacted us and impacted our success. This is an awesome book. You have to get it. Along with that, inside of this box is a tote bag. Very good for shopping, not using plastic bags. Or, if you're like me, you can use it as a feed bag. I would use this I'm going to give this to my son Michael, because he needs a feed bag all the time. So this is very useful. And on top of that, yes, there is a couple of bookmarks. As you can see here, these are the bookmarks for noticing. And according to this, there are many things on the back of here. Accelerate and amplify solutions for improving mental health through stories, songs, and science. The Awesome Music Project. What else do we have in here? Some fabulous tissue paper, obviously the highlight. A note. Wow, we can't possibly thank you enough for being a key story contributor to the Awesome Music Project Canada, Songs of Hope and Happiness. And it's signed by Rob and Terry, who are the guys who put it all together. There is a card in here, which I shall open shortly. And ta-da, limited edition. I know these do not go out to everybody, but this is the Awesome Music Project t-shirt. Woo! Have I ever been more fashionable? Thank you, Terry. Thank you, Rob. Love the Awesome Music Project. And if you haven't got this book yet and you're watching this video, please do it. It's amazing, and you're going to be helping a lot of people. This is a foundation now to raise money and raise awareness for mental health and music.